Lots of vehicle manufacturers use 6x8-inch speakers in cars because they are easier to fit in small spaces than 6x9 speakers while providing comparable performance. Ford in particular, and its subsidiaries, used 6x8 in a ton of their vehicles. But some of the factory speakers you'll find in your vehicle are not high quality and don't perform as well as you might hope. Or they might be old, cracked, and sound like a blown speaker. This is particularly relevant when you upgrade your head unit or add a high-quality subwoofer or other speakers. Factory speakers can often sound weak or tinny too, and don't have the range of frequencies to make your system upgrade sound clean and punchy like you want. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best 6x8 speakers. So let's get started. Number 5. Kenwood FCC6866S. Sometimes you just need a cheap set of speakers. Maybe you are replacing blown speakers in your work truck or car, or maybe you're simply wanting a little upgrade over dull, old factory units. Here is a speaker that performs better than you would expect for the money you pay. This is simply a good sounding speaker that doesn't cost a lot. This speaker uses some mundane materials, like a polypropylene cone and a cloth surround, and won't take a lot of power with its low RMS rating. The good news is that this speaker will make a noticeable improvement in your factory audio system that doesn't provide much power. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Kicker 47KSS6804. Kicker wants you to feel your music in a way your factory system never will. This component system is unique and provides an affordable way to significantly improve your car or truck. The woofer features a removable bullet-type phase plug where the tweeter can mount. The 1-inch silk dome tweeter can optionally be mounted as a component speaker to work in nearly any vehicle. This package includes a crossover network that sends the proper signals to the proper speakers. The tweeter response is adjustable to compensate for various locations you can mount the speaker. The speakers have a slim design that makes for an ideal upgrade in limited spaces. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. JBL Club 8622F. The Club series from JBL is one of the more popular factory upgrades in a 6x8-inch speaker. This is an affordable option that provides excellent mid-range and more bass response than you might think when looking at the specs. JBL designs this speaker to perform well on underpowered factory car stereos, but it will also benefit from moderate amplification should you decide to add an outboard amp later. The key thing about the Club 6x8-inch speakers is the patented +1 technology that provides deep excursion and a larger cone area. This tech enables a better low-end sound while maintaining excellent sound reproduction free of distortion. Edge-driven silk tweeters handle the upper frequencies with ease. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Infinity Kappa 86CFX. Upgrading a factory system to a modern amplified system often means compromises. This speaker set anticipates the challenges of thin factory speaker wiring with a 2.5 ohm impedance. This design maximizes the efficiency of the speaker. Upgrade your wiring and factory amplifier to really take advantage of all these 6x8-inch speakers are capable of. The patented +1 trademark woofer cone and deep excursion let this speaker hit some of the lowest frequencies on this list. Oversized, edge-driven textile dome tweeters provide warm highs. The tweeters can increase frequency up to 3 decibels for tuning. They also swivel 270 degrees to direct the high frequencies into the proper direction. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Alpine RS68. Alpine's Type R series speakers have been among our lists of best speakers for years. They're just a great all-around speaker. Alpine began these coaxial speakers by taking the best bits of the Type R series and improving them in almost every way. The new R series speakers offer the same full sound and durability with advancements in sound quality. These are a great choice if your speakers have a modest amplifier. The cone is a multi-layer fiber hybrid material that is extremely rigid and light to provide excellent response to low frequencies. A patent-pending HAMR surround allows better excursion of the cone to prevent harshness. The 1-inch tweeter is silk-domed and square wire wrapped for smooth highs. You can swivel the tweeter to position it in the ideal spot. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best 6x8 speakers just for you.